Staying with you.
Okay. They got construction right here before the light. It's going to be a cluster.
It'd be easier if they let us go around the other side.
We're going to the other side of the road here.
Yep, I see. The cop read my mind.
You can probably cut back in front of this white pickup here. Watch out, there's a guy trying to turn left. And watch the traffic on your right side because he's not stopping it there, so come on.
Thank you.
Go. They're stopping. And another roadwork sign up here says right lane's closed. I got a deck plate right here right in the middle of the lane.
Yep, you got that right, Shilka.
Well, we got cones here. They made a lane on the opposing side. Hopefully you don't knock them all down. The cop just stared at me. He's an ass.
Yeah, you're just rubbing the cones on the right.
$50 for every cone, man.
Hey, just build a truck.
You pay at the end.
Okay. Yeah, the cop said that's going to be $50 a cone. We pay at the end.
That's it? That's cheap. We don't have any dragging under the tracks, do we?
Not on the left. Let me slip over to the right here. Nope, you left them all there. Hey, watch out for the fool in the minivan, and then I'll grab it again.
Well, it's going to go right up here. I do believe that's all the construction until Fairfield, I believe.
Oh, that would be lucky.